Here I have LYF Water 10 and let me show you how to use here the portable hotspot. Let me show you how to enable here the Wi-Fi hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose here more under wireless and network, tap factoring and portable hotspot, and here you can tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can create the Wi-Fi hotspot by using that switcher. The hotspot is activated. Here you've got the icon. Now you can also choose keep Wi-Fi hotspot for exact period of time. You can choose set up Wi-Fi hotspot and configure the hotspot by choosing the network name, security type, password. Right now you are using the following one. You can also reset OOB or choose maximum connections. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also read the connected users and blocked users. So let me disable the hotspot right now, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.